One of the questions I get quite often is, can I give my assets away and qualify for Medicaid to pay for the nursing home? Hi, my name is Bill Miller, and I'm an estate and elder law attorney in Alabama, and I have offices in Anniston and Birmingham, and we work with families on a regular basis who have loved ones going to the nursing home and are trying to figure out how they're going to pay for it. The problem with giving assets away to qualify for Medicaid is that Medicaid has a 60-month look back from the time you file a Medicaid application. So there's really two issues to qualify. One is, are you under the asset limits, which are pretty low, and I discussed those in another video. But once you get under the asset limits to qualify for Medicaid, then the next question that the Medicaid worker is going to want to know is, what have you given away in the past 60 months? And in 2022, the monthly divisor for Medicaid is $6,400. So for every $6,400 you give away or have given away in the last 60 months, Medicaid is going to penalize you 1 month, meaning they're not going to pay. So they may approve your application, but they're going to say, yes, you're approved, but there's a penalty period of 10 months, and after 10 months then we'll pick up the tab. You don't have to reapply, but someone's got to pay for those first 10 months. Now, what I mean by 10 months is, if you gave away $64,000 over the past 60 months before you filed the application, 64,000 divided by 6,400 creates a 10-month penalty. So for every $6,400 you've given away or assets you've sold for less than fair market value, they're going to penalize you 1 month. And so giving assets away can be a strategy that can work in the long term if you've done it way in advance of applying for Medicaid, but the problem is most people don't do it until a year or two before they're about to go to the nursing home, and that creates these Medicaid penalties. The other serious problem with giving assets away to qualify is that once you give your asset away, then that asset can be lost. If you give your house and your life savings to your son and he spends it all, or he gets divorced, or he gets sued or files bankruptcy, those assets are now his, and those assets can be used to satisfy his creditors or predators. And even though you may need the money down the road to go to the nursing home, the money is going to be gone. You've given it away to your son, and now it's lost, and there's no money from which that you can get care. There are strategies you can use to get assets transferred out of your name without risking losing them to your son's predators and creditors. I'm happy to discuss those with you. We also discuss them at our free estate planning and asset protection workshop. I would encourage you to visit my website at www.millerestateandelderlaw.com to register for one of our free workshops, or you can call our office at 256-472-1900 and register that way, or make an appointment to come in. If you've got a loved one going to a nursing home right away, a 10-minute phone call, I can tell you how we can help you get them qualified for Medicaid. I look forward to meeting you either way.